Designing your impression. So, if we put this all together, what do we have? How do you become your most attractive, most interesting, and most engaging self? How do you charm those you work with, those you meet, and more? The initial impression we're going for is someone who is healthy, confident, and successful, but who is kind with it. Someone who is secure enough in themselves that they don't feel the need to put others down, to engage in petty gossip. You are someone who presents themselves well, and who realizes that the little things matter, things like presentation and manners. You are a gentleman, or a lady, but also someone who is well-traveled, knowledgeable, and experienced. You don't go out of your way to let others know this, though. When you talk, you take an interest in what others have to say, and you listen more than you speak. But when you do speak, you speak passionately about things you care about. You speak knowledgeably, and you let your body do the talking. You pull people into the emotion of what you're saying. You let them feel a part of your stories. You don't worry about impressing people or making the right impression. You are comfortable in your own skin and in your own mission, and you are enjoying the journey along the way. When you can manage to be all those things, then you will be the most attractive you. And you'll find that everything you want in life comes that much more easily.